Nice camera.
Thanks. Whoa! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Rebel Tech channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing the MEGAZIP adventure. I'm gonna be ziplining all the way from the top all the way to down there. So I'm planning to do this. There you go. I'm supposed to paraglide in Indonesia. I'm not able to do paraglide due to weather conditions again. When I reach, it literally rained. It was heavy. I'm doing this vlog using the AKASO Brave 7. I'm not using any microphone. I'm using the internal microphone. So let's hope everything sounds good. Actually, I wanted to do bungee jumping there. Okay, but unfortunately, I'm not able to use the AKASO Brave 7 to do the jumps. It defeats the purpose of me doing the jump without even being able to use this action camera provided by AKASO. I was all in. I was prepared. I'm not allowed to use my own camera, so I hope the microphone is good. I'll probably have to go back and check it out when I video edit. It's drizzling right now. I went to Jakarta for the purpose of doing paragliding, but probably I will try to do it again in the next few months. That's the thing, because my schedule is limited. So it was a 2-day drive all the way to South Sumatra, and then as you can see in that video, it rained, unfortunately. Okay, so it took me a while to figure out how to switch to the front cam. I would have to double press the side button. This one. There you go. I would have to press both at the same time. So I'm shooting in 4K, 30 FPS. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to the top of the zip. Alright, see you soon.
This is our tower. Once you get there, just have me walk through the bridge back to this tower. Only we take our harness by ourselves. Thank you. I got issues with the photo. Nice camera.
Thanks.
Now for this adventure, I've mounted the Brave 7 on a wrist strap mount that actually included in the AKASO Sky Kit, which is sold separately. It is really secure, so no worries about the camera taking a nosedive. Plus, I've activated the Brave 7's built-in image stabilization, or EIS for short. This will help smooth out any bumps and shakes during the ride, ensuring crystal clear footage.
Everyone over 4.
Alright. Oh my god. Still have to go up. Slowly.
Alright, for you, lane number 3, just stand in the yellow box.
Alright. Look at that, guys. Kinda nervous. I've never done this before. Let's just do it.
I've never been a huge fan of heights. Let's just say I'm feeling a few butterflies in my stomach. But to be honest, I'm extremely nervous. So enjoy.
I thought I have to go all the way back. Right, this is it. Safety, safety. Okay. Are you ready to go all the way down there? Alright. Hang. Oh my god.
Alright, so you're coming. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Alright, balance. Alright.
Just go to the ball.
Alright. That was fun.
Alright, just keep going.
Okay. Kill. Wow. How was it? Oh guys. Damn. That was scary. I was with a German tourist and yeah, that was thrilling. I think that's almost about the same height if I were to do paraglide, but man, I wanted to do the bungee jump, but they don't allow to use your own camera. That's the down part of it. It was awesome doing the MEGAZIP, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you AKASO for this. Okay, this is for you guys. But really, I wanted to do, seriously, I wanted to do the bungee jump. Man. Oh man. Okay, stay tuned to my next video. Okay, hopefully I'm able to do paraglide like soon. Such ways, really, such ways I'm not able to do bungee jumping. This video is totally shot by AKASO Brave 7.
dapat dia